Okay, today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Roku TV without using the remote. Since you're watching this video, you're probably having a problem with your Roku TV and you want to reset it so you can use it again. But I usually recommend on most of my videos to try this quick fix first, because many times you do not need to do the factory reset. You just do this quick fix and it corrects your problem. So hang with me for another few seconds. I'll show you this fix and then we'll go on to the factory reset right after. That's all you need to do is unplug the TV from the wall. Don't turn it off by the remote. Unplug it from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. In most cases, this will solve, believe it or not, a lot of your problems. Okay, if that didn't fix your problem, we're now going to show you how to do the factory reset. Okay, I want you to look around your TV and see if you can find this little hole. It's usually labeled reset. Just bend a paper clip, put it in the reset hole, push it for about 15 seconds until your TV starts restarting.